right, of course, the fans here in the arena, ayan, kita naman natin, they're enjoying their shakies, mojos, and pizza. You've got all these fans lined up here watching the game. And let me turn you over now to Ivy Remulla for another courtside report.
Thank you. And feeling ko kaya rin maraming fans dito gusto kong makita. Anyways, well, tiyaga at sipag yan, tiyaga, tapang at sipag yan ang sabi ni Coach Nene para sa Philippine Navy. And she said na maganda naging performance sila noong second set. All they need to do is just continue kung ano yung mga ginagawa nila ng tama. And wag sila magpapabaya, lalong-lalo na if they gain the lead. Dapat lagi din silang handa, and anticipation is very important, especially if yung mga pagkakataon na nababasag yung kanilang blocking. Meanwhile, for the Navy Eagles, Coach Barney reminded the team to minimize their errors, especially with the service. Kasi sayang daw yung puntos na binibigay nila sa kalaban. They should also continue to go for the combination plays because it has been very effective in breaking the blocking and the floor defense of Philippine Navy. He also reminded the team na wag din daw mawawala ang coverage sa atake. Back to you guys.
Alright, thanks Ivy. And what I can see right now is that yung Navy parang nag-loosen up na, no?
That's right. Pero also one excellent point made by Coach Nene earlier, tulad ng at madalas na nababasag ang blocking nila ng plays ng Ateneo. And I think we should give credit to Jen Ferrer for that because she's really able to deceive the blockers on the side of the Philippine Navy.
Making it a lot easier for her outside attackers pagka single block na lang nakaharap sa kanila. Oh, nice move from Phil.